guys, welcome back. The Colors had the 50% off on certain items. Love their block parties. They are so creamy. They glide on really nicely. They're very opaque, and I wanted to come on here and show you how bomb these block parties eyeshadows are. And although the sale is over, I do feel like $20 they're worth it, because they give you like that wet look on your eyes, and I'm here for it. So I wanted to show you some shades that I pick up. I went a little crazy. So anyways, this one is Shall We Dance. It's like a pink champagne shadow, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at that beauty. Like, that is like so pretty. Then this one's another really good popular one too. It's called Hearts of Gold. I'm going to show you the pigmentation of it. Look at that. And I still have a little bit left. So this one's Shall We Dance, and this one is Hearts of Gold. This one that I got is Teal Me More. It's this beautiful purple blue eyeshadow. It just gives you like that beautiful purple like shift. So we're just gonna do it right here, right next to Hearts of Gold. Guys, look at how beautiful. It's like a purple blue, mermaid vibes. So then the next one that I have is called Caffeine Queen. This is the one that I was wearing yesterday on my Instagram picture. This one is absolutely beautiful as well. Do it right here, right next to. Look at that. So the last one that I got is Slinky, and this is the one that I am wearing. I normally don't go for like cool tone shades, but I had to. So stay tuned for this tutorial because I filmed it for you guys. Yes, your girl is on a roll. This one is like absolutely stunning as well. Like, look how beautiful this one is. This one with like a nice cool tone look, like kind of like what I'm wearing, is everything. Look how pretty it, oh, like, I just can't, guys. Shall We Dance? We have Hearts of Gold, Teal Me More. For everybody that loves coffee, Caffeine Queen for you. And Slinky right here. Look how beautiful. They definitely give you like that wet vibe. Like, Dose of Colors, you always know how to satisfy us, because this is definitely very, very beautiful. For $20, I think it's 100% worth it. I think you guys should go out and purchase it. This is not sponsored by Dose of Colors, but if Dose of Colors you are watching this video, hi, I love your products. They're bomb. Like, enough said. If you were to pick up the Caffeine Queen, you could definitely wear it every single day. You could wear it with a smoky eye, you could wear it by itself, you could put some bronzer in your crease and then go in with this one. I'm just saying that. So that's it, guys. That is my little quick video. If you guys do purchase it, let me know. If you guys have tried it, let me know as well. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned for another Dose of Colors video. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm gonna go wash this off, and I'll see you later.